Several cases of accidents, fire damages and destruction due to natural disasters have been reported across the country, often leaving the victims devastated by the sheer magnitude of loss of produce. Insurance sector players have hence taken an initiative of conducting a one-year campaign to enhance knowledge base as accrued to insurance.
All the relevant risks would apply. So that is the objective of this campaign. It will educate people in terms of reading your policy, what is included, and when and how you do get compensated. So it's segmented. It will address the awareness issue, the knowledge issue, the appreciation issue, and then the claims.
Can you imagine knocking someone outside there and they break their legs or they pass away? How much you will have to pay if you did not have third party? I don't think we ever worry too much about that. But third party really takes a weight of your load because you can't help it. You're driving and somebody is drunk, falls in the road, off a border.
With 80% of the youth unemployed and more than 3/4 of the population in this age group, one wonders the possibility of them embracing insurance policies. However, given that agriculture is a backbone of the country's economy, it is no wonder one of the targeted areas of the campaign.
Talking to the elite in Uganda, and they couldn't believe I was telling them such absolute nonsense. My mother grows beans. You want me to grow beans? My mother is suffering there in the village, You want me to do that? No. Agriculture is a business. It's a good business. We can feed the world. We can feed our neighbors. You can do anything. It's a very long value chain. So when they say they're investing in agriculture, it is the whole value chain. It's the agro-processing, it's the exporters, it's the inputs, the tractors and whatever. So you need to insure your tractor, otherwise you're taking risks.
Uganda Insurance Association boasts of over shilling 600 billion accorded to clients in form of compensation over the past 5 years. Limited financial literacy is, however, advanced to be one of the factors lagging the insurance sector behind.
What I would want to see is 100% financial literacy. When I say 100%, when I meet any Ugandan on the street, they must be able to put insurance as one of the key things that they need to consider when they do their businesses or their day-to-day lives. If we have not reached that stage, I don't know how many of you have had a chance to live, for example, in the UK. There's nothing you can do, even traveling for 1 hour, without thinking about insurance. There's nothing basically you can do without including insurance in your thinking. So that is the stage you want to put the whole thing to. You want to make sure that there's 100% financial literacy, there's 100% financial inclusion, which I would call today insurance inclusion.
Uganda Insurance Association hopes to push insurance coverage in the country to at least 3% over the next 10 years, from the meager less than 1% recorded as yet. But this too is yet to be witnessed. Nancy Okwong, WBS Business, Kampala.